You don't lose time because of bugs. You lose time because your tests can't keep up. Tests break after every UI change. Flows are duplicated. Nobody wants to touch the test suite anymore. That's not a tooling problem. That's an architecture problem. In Module 6 of Advanced Mobile Automation with Maestro, we fix that. You'll learn how to turn a pile of YAML files into a structured, scalable system. Instead of repeating steps, you build reusable flows. Instead of hard-coding values, you design flexible, data-driven tests. And instead of breaking across languages, your tests adapt automatically. This is not about writing tests. This is about building a system that survives change. You'll learn how to design test architecture that scales, separate logic from data, eliminate duplication, and build automation your team can actually rely on. Because senior engineers don't just write tests, they design systems. If your tests break every time your app changes, you don't need more tests. You need better architecture. Advanced Mobile Automation with Maestro. Stop writing scripts. Start building systems.